Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to set up auto clicker in Bluestacks. So here I'll be giving you some ways on how to set up your auto clicker in Bluestacks. So I'm giving you three ways to do that. So the first way right here is the easiest way of it setting it up by just clicking right here on your what do you call this right here at your here at your macro. Open your macro right here. After opening your macro right there, as you can see right now, you can click on record. So once you click on record, so this will happen. Record, and everything you do like this, so click it, move it right here, click on that, click on that, click on that, blah 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 blah. Everything you do that will be recorded in your macros. So let's say after clicking that, then click on this and then click on your Chrome right there. Then there you go. Then you close it. Then you add another Chrome right there. Then we'll just yeah. Then we'll go back. So there, and then we're just gonna click on stop right here. Right here, you can pause it, then rethink everything if you want it to be done or something like that. And then if you want it to be done, just click on the stop recording macro right here. So now here we can adjust its settings right here. You can set a timer interval between execution. So what that means, you have an interval with each execution, but it depends on the time you put right here, when it starts and when it stops, and do that blah blah blah. And you can add the playback, so every time right here you can do it much faster. So guys, for example, let's say your playback speed is 1.5, so it's much more faster. 2 times speed much faster. 2.5 super faster, and 3 is the super fastest one right here. So here you can repeat action here as many times as you want. You can say 1 2 3 4 5 or something like that, or you can repeat the action for a duration, which means it's gonna keep doing that until it hits the, let's say, 1 hour mark. So there we go. And after changing all of that, if to your liking, just click on save right there. With right there, save right there. And then once, if you want to start, just click on play. So watch, I'm gonna play it. As you can see right now, it is now gonna play. It's gonna play the macro right here. As you can see right now, wait, let's see. Wait, we just there you go. As you can see, it's just opening the app. It's doing this stuff, and so we're just gonna stop it. So go. We just stopped it there. As you can see, that's how we do it. Now we're gonna do a script. So the script here is right here. After script, just go right here. Then click on Control Editor. After clicking on Control Editor, let's see. Let's see. Wait. I think my ink kinda froze a little bit. Wait. Okay. Wait. Let's see. It kind of froze a little bit, so we're just gonna close that. So we're gonna open a control panel, Task Manager. Then there we go. There we go. That's and task. We. Now we're just gonna start the one. So right here, we're gonna start a free fire right here. So here will be, I'll be teaching the script one. We just have to open it in the player. We just have to wait right here. So the script is a very interesting one. Right here, I'll give you a easy guide for the script. Very easy guide for the scripts. So here, just click on right here. You can click on Control Editor right here, and once you're here, you will see right here the script. All you need to do is drag it. As you see, drag it, and there you go. And you will see like a little small blue thingy on the right bottom right corner, right there. Just press on it. After pressing on it, right here, here's the formula that you need. So here, left click 50 to 600. So what that means is the x and y coordination. There you go. Or the click at the coordinates, as you can see right there. And then weight is 100 right there. And then loop is what it means repeat forever. There you go, as you can see right there. So to find the coordinates, let's say you want to find the coordinates of somebody, you will just look right here. There you go. Just look right there. Put your mouse. There you go. Then type the coordinates right here. So you can see. There you go. As you can see, you just need to type that, or you can just did what I did. Right click on it. If you just right click, it will add the coordinates. Let me say you want right here. Right click. Say add coordinates. Add coordinates. Blah, 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 blah. And then all of that you can do that. And then now you're gonna add the um, weight. So the weight right here, you can just put 100 right here. There you go. You can do 100, which means 100 minutes, and then loop to repeat it forever. So that's the formula that you can use if you want, or you can just add a time to the repeat. So you can add like 5 minutes or 1 minute or something like that. So yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go, guys. And before I go, so the last one is what do you call this? Um, what do you call this? The last auto clicker. The last one is I'll be giving you is what we called what do you call this? The easiest one, and not technically the easiest one. They like the easiest one to the easiest one before macro. So it's like the second easiest one. So yeah, for this one, you need to have auto clicker on your PC itself and not on Bluestacks. So just type in here auto clicker. Here I use OP auto clicker, so I suggest you using OP auto clicker because this is the one I use. Is here. It's just a simple what do you call this? Simple understanding right here. Here you can click on start right here. When you click on start, it's how many milliseconds it will click. So once I click on right here, once I click on F6, F6, it will just keep on clicking until I F6 again to stop it. And here we have the record and play. So what this does is whatever you do on record, and just move your mouse like that, click like that, and then stop it. And then once we play it, to play it, we can just click on right here, or we can right here to play, or we can just do the hotkey. So the hotkey for this is we're gonna check on it. So I think the hotkey is Control 1. So yeah, the Control 1 is the hotkey for that. Control 1. So there we go. As you can see, my mouse just repeats everything that I did earlier. Click, and then boop, then gonna record. So yeah, that's how it goes. And you can control the press clicking speed right here. So right here you can change it to like every 1 second it will click, then click F6 and it'll start like that. So there you go, guys. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.